Is this the ultimate budget creamy setup? This is the Epomaker G84 Pro and it has a feature I've never seen in any other keyboard. Epomaker has sponsored this video and sent over this product for free, however all thoughts and opinions remain my own, and Epomaker has not gotten a chance to review this video before me posting. As soon as you touch these keycaps, it feels completely different. These are actual silicone keycaps. They feel rubbery, soft, and completely matte, and not slippery at all, and we'll take a closer look at these later. Look at the top right corner. You see a sleek metal volume knob right next to the big LCD screen that looks incredibly clean and futuristic. I love how the volume knob particularly is on the side of the keyboard, which allows for the screen to extend further than any other Epomaker keyboard. The G84 Pro is a tri-mode keyboard, which means you can connect with a USB cable, Bluetooth, or 2.4 GHz with the included dongle cleverly stored underneath the two-stage flippy feet in the back. The G84 Pro is an 80% layout with 81 keys, so you keep your dedicated arrow keys while saving desk space for your mouse. My unit came with the pre-lubed Epomaker Creamy Jade switches. They have a 45-gram actuation force, meaning they are light, smooth, and don't require heavy typing. Inside this ABS plastic case is a ridiculous 8,000 mAh battery. This is absolutely massive for a keyboard and means you don't have to charge this thing for weeks if you turn the RGB off. Epomaker claims 42 hours with the RGB and screen on, 45 with just RGB, 150 hours with just the screen, and a whopping 200 hours with the RGB and screen off. Epomaker packed a full 5-letter acoustic foam stack into this thing. Pour-on sandwich foam, IPXC switch pads, and socket pads. And we'll take a closer look at the sound of this keyboard at the end of the video. Combined with the Flex Cup PC plate and PCB, this board is built to have that nice bouncy feel when typing. The plate mount stabilizers come pre-lubed and they're surprisingly balanced out of the box, but a tiny bit of extra Crytox could help make them perfect. The keycaps are the biggest standout of this keyboard. Most keyboards come with double shot PBT keycaps, like the Ala F75 and even more. Even some keyboards use metal or ceramic keycaps, but I haven't seen a company use silicone keycaps on their keyboard. To be honest, I was skeptical at first, but after using this keyboard for an extended period of time, I never want to go back to regular double shot PBT keycaps. The silicone keycaps provide a really nice sound profile, making the keyboard extra thocky. They feel super soft to the touch and have a slight indent in the middle. Even though they're silicone, you still have a great grip on the keycaps while gaming. These keycaps have a super clean design and fits in with any keyboard. If you'd like to try the keycaps without buying a whole new keyboard, Epomaker sells these separately on their website. These are the Aegisil keycaps. If you press the FN key and press the knob in, you can switch the knob from volume control to screen navigation. You can check your battery or upload your own custom animations on the built-in WebDriver. And I made a custom GIF based off my new logo, which fits perfectly in my keyboard. To upload a custom GIF to the screen, you have to plug it in via a USB cable. It won't let you send GIFs over the wireless dongle. But for regular key remapping, the web-based Chrome software works wirelessly and easily. The software overall is very simple and easy to use for experts and beginners alike, with simple options like key mapping, macros, and letting effects being accessible. Because the keycaps are semi-transparent, the RGB backlighting diffuses through the whole board, giving it this soft, mellow neon glow rather than blinding your eyes. The RGB is super bright, and I thought that the RGB on the F75 Max was bright, but the brightness on the G84 Pro really blew me away. There are limitless effects, and they have also 3 more light strips, with one being below the Epomaker badge, right here, and 2 on either bottom side of the keyboard to provide a nice underglow. You can customize these effects and colors of them through the built-in screen and the knob on the keyboard, or the Epomaker WebDriver. This keyboard is amazing, and I love the 8,000 mAh battery life, the unique and soft silicone keycaps, and the great feel out of the box acoustics-wise. The only downside is that it has a plastic case, and if you prefer heavy aluminum case, it might not be your best choice. If you want a modern, ultra-clean white aesthetic keyboard with a built-in screen, and you're curious about a softer typing texture, the G84 Pro is a fantastic deal, around $90. Now, if you hate rubbery textures on a keycap like this, feel free to try the Ala F75 Max, which I have a review also, which will be linked down in the description below. Well, now let me know what you think about these keycaps in the description below, because I personally think they're really nice, and I'm surprised no other keyboards have been trying this out. Huge thank you to Epomaker for sending this product over for me to review, and I'll have the product link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and of course, have an amazing day.